No, this can't be happening. Why now? Something is wrong. I can feel it. I can feel it inside me. What if they find out? No, I won't let anyone see this. I don't feel the same anymore. Something is changing inside me. I keep feeling different every day. I can't ignore it anymore. Maybe I'm overthinking everything. I need something loose today. I need to hide it. This one is better. No, it still shows too much. I don't want anyone to notice anything. Why is this happening to me? I just want peace of mind. Maybe nobody will see.
Have you seen her lately? Yes, something is very different. She is not the same anymore. People are already talking about her. Talking about what exactly? You know what the village says. She is hiding something. Everyone is watching her now.
It's becoming obvious.
The whole village is talking. No one is staying quiet anymore. It's spreading everywhere.
That's her. Look at her stomach.
She thinks we don't see anything.
She is trying to hide it.
They are watching me again. I just need to stay strong.
Stay close to me.
Everyone is looking at me. She is here again.
Watch her carefully today. They are not going to help you.
She is under serious pressure. The gossip is affecting her badly. She is becoming emotionally unstable.
We need to intervene soon, but carefully. She cannot break down here. People are saying things again. She looks more stressed every day. It's not normal anymore. Something serious is happening. Whole village is talking. And it won't stop soon.
Why does it feel like everyone knows? I didn't say anything to anyone. But they are still talking. I can feel it everywhere I go. I didn't do anything wrong. I just need to stay strong.
This is not fair at all. They are lying about everything.
Calm down first.
How can I stay calm now?
Talking won't change anything. I can't do this anymore.
She has been hiding her real life too long.
It's clear now she's not a lesbian. Everyone can see it.
Don't react to them. I'm not hiding anymore.
I see it now. I've been pretending not to notice. It's not the same anymore. I can't hide from myself. I know what they will see. And I know they will talk.
This is where it starts. They are already outside. I can feel it before I even walk. I won't turn back. I'll just walk like nothing has changed.
Look, she's coming. She looks different today.
She knows we're watching.
She's acting normal. That's not normal anymore.
Something is going on.
That's her. She's trying to hide it. Why is she walking like nothing is wrong?
Keep walking.
I won't stop now.
She came here like this. She's not even hiding properly. Everyone can see it now. She doesn't care anymore. No, she knows. She's just pretending.
They are all looking. I can feel every eye on me. But I'm not moving. I won't run from this. Not today. Not anymore. She stopped avoiding. She's standing her ground.
That's a shift.
But the pressure is increasing. She's reaching a breaking point. Or a turning point. Find.
She's coming here too. She has no shame. Everyone knows already. She can't hide it here. This place used to be quiet, not anymore.
She's been saying she's a lesbian all this time. She has been hiding something for too long. This doesn't match the life she shows people. People are starting to see the truth now. No one can pretend for it. The body doesn't lie.
You can't live one life and hide another.
People will always find out. They don't understand, and they don't have to.
I hear everything, but I won't carry their voices. They don't define me. This is my body. This is my life, and I'm not hiding anymore.
Look at me.
I can't.
You've been quiet for too long.
I don't know what to say.
You know exactly what to say.
Everything is falling apart.
Enough. I've been quiet long enough. They don't get to decide for me.
I'm done explaining myself in my head. Today is different. Let them say it to my face. No turning back. I know what's waiting outside. I'm not avoiding it. I'm walking into it. Let them look. Let them talk. She's really acting normal. After everything,
She thinks we won't say anything.
we've been quiet too long.
She's right there. Then let her hear it.
Fulufhelo, we know. You said you're a lesbian, so explain this now. You had everyone believing you. Now you're confusing people. I'm not confusing anyone. You just want answers you're not owed. Say it clearly then. What are you really?
You can't be both.
Pick one! That's your problem, not mine. She's not backing down.
She's answering now. So talk then.
Explain yourself. I don't owe you a story. I owe myself peace. She's responding now. They pushed her too far. But she's controlled. She's not breaking. She's setting boundaries. Finally. She spoke back outside. She's not scared anymore. That changes things.
People will think twice now.
You can keep talking. It doesn't move me.
That's done. I said what I needed to say. I didn't break. They expected me to. Not anymore. Not again.
I can't sit here like this!
Then stand. It won't change anything.
We should have said something earlier.
Now you want to talk?
I know. I was scared.
Scared? We're in here because of you.
I'm sorry, Mashudu.
We can still fix this. It's too late for that. It's already falling apart.
No! We have to try!
She answered back. She didn't even raise her voice. She meant what she said.
People won't push her the same way now. I'm still here and I'm not going anywhere.